Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope everything is great and have a wonderful day. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Anita Permatasari. I'm a college student of STKIP Kusuma Negara Jakarta, Math Education Department. I make this video for fulfill of final semester test and English assignment that led by Mr. Wisnuka Kusumajati MPD. Today, I will discuss about question and solution for the following topics is Cartesian plane, geometry, calculus, set and subset, statistic, limit, and matrix operation. Okay, let's start with the first question. That is Cartesian plane. Explain the following coordinates of Cartesian plane in English. The coordinates of point B are 5 to the right of and 5 units to the origin. The coordinates of point C are go back along the x-axis 5, then go up 5. The coordinates of point D are go back along the x-axis 6, then go up 2. The coordinates of point A are go back along the x-axis 6, then go down 5. The coordinates of point F are 0 the origin and go down 6. The coordinates of point G are 6 to the right of and go down 3. The coordinates of point H are 4 to the right of and 0 the origin. The coordinates of point G are go back along the x-axis 4, then go down 2. The coordinates of point K are 1 to the right of and go down 4. The coordinates of point L are 2 to the right of and 2 units above the origin. The coordinates of M are go back along the x-axis 2, then go up 7. The coordinates of point N are go back along to the x-axis 2, then go up 3. Next question, that is matrix operation. If A is the 3 times 3 matrix, the entries are A subscript 1 subscript 1 equals 1, A subscript 1 subscript 2 equals minus 1, A subscript 1 subscript 3 equals 2, A subscript 2 subscript 1 equals 3, A subscript 2 subscript 1 equals 2, A subscript 2 subscript 3 equals 5, A subscript 3 subscript 1 equals minus 1, A subscript 3 subscript 2 equals 0, A subscript 3 subscript 3 equals 4, and B is the 3 times 3 matrix. The entries are B subscript 1 subscript 1 equals 2, B subscript 1 subscript 2 equals 1, B subscript 1 subscript 3 equals minus 1, B subscript 2 subscript 1 equals 1, B subscript 2 subscript 2 equals 3, B subscript 2 subscript 3 equals 4, B subscript 3 subscript 1 equals minus 1, B subscript 3 subscript 2 equals 2, B subscript 3 subscript 3 equals 1. Find A minus B. A minus B equals 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, minus 1, 0, 4 in the brackets, minus 2, 1 minus 1, 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 1 in the brackets, equals 1 minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4, minus 1 minus minus 1, 0 minus 2, 4 minus 1 in the brackets equals 1 minus 2 equals minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 equals minus 2. 2 minus minus 1 equals 3. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 minus 3 equals minus 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Minus 1 minus minus 1 equals 0. 0 minus 2 equals minus 2. 4 minus 1 equals 3. So, the matrix A minus B equals minus 1, minus 2, 3, 2, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 2, 3 in the brackets. Next question, that is geometry. Find the volume and surface area of a cylinder can. On this cylinder, the value of radius is equals 4 and the height is 13. The cylinder volume formula equals V times R square times T. R is a radius, T is a height. V is 3,14. R is 4 and T is 13 equals T 3,14 times 4 square times 13 equals 3,14 times 4 square is 16 times 13 equals 653,12 centimeter cubes. And the cylinder surface area formula equals 2 times V times R plus T in the parentheses equals 2 times V 3,14 times 4 times 4 plus 13 in the parentheses equals 2 times 3,14 times 4 times 4 plus 13 equals 17 equals 427,04 centimeters square. So the volume is 653,12 centimeter cube and the surface area is 427,04 centimeters square. Next question, that is set and subset. The number of set A equals the number of set A are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the brackets. The number of set B are 2, 4, 6, 8 in the brackets. The number of set C are 3, 5 in the brackets. The number of set D are 2, 4, 6, 8 in the brackets. Find A union B in the brackets, A intersection B in the brackets, A complement in the brackets, B intersection C in the brackets. So, okay, A union B in the brackets equals the number of set A 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the brackets union the number of set B are 2, 4, 6, 8 in the brackets. So the number of set A union B are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 in the brackets. And A intersection B in the brackets equals the number set A are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the brackets intersection the number of set B 2, R 2, 4, 6, 8 in the brackets. So the number of set A intersection B are there is no intersection because there are no equal number. A complement in the brackets equals the number of set A 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the brackets. Because the complement of set A are all complement of S or universe set, there are not numbers of A, so A complement is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So the number of set A complement equals are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And B intersection C in the brackets equals the number of set B are 2, 4, 6, 8 in the brackets. Intersection the number of set C are 3, 5 in brackets. There is not intersection because there are no equal number. Next question, that is the sigma. The sigma of 2 raised by k plus 1 times x raised by k goes from 0 to 9 equals 2 times 2x in the parentheses raised by x. Next question, the sigma of minus 1 in the parentheses raised by k times x raised by k over 2k over 2k plus 1 goes from 0 to n equals minus x in the parentheses raised by k over 2k plus 1. Next question, that is calculus limit. The limit of x over 3 minus root of x plus 9 as x approaches to 0. The solution is the limit of x over 3 minus roots of x plus 9 times 3 plus roots of x plus 9 over 3 plus roots of x plus 9 as x approaches 0 equals the limit of x 3 plus roots of x plus 9 in the parentheses over 3 square minus x plus 9 in the parentheses as x approaches 0 equals the limit of x 3 plus roots of x plus 9 in the parentheses over minus x as x approaches 0 equals the limit of 3 plus roots of x plus 9 over minus 1 as x approaches 0 equals 3 plus roots of 0 plus 9 over minus 1 equals 3 plus roots of 9 over minus 1 equals 3 plus 3 over minus 1 equals minus 6 over 1 equals minus 6. Next question is the limit of roots of z minus 2 over z minus 4 as z approaches 4. The limit of roots of z minus 2 over z minus 4 times roots of z plus 2 over root of z plus 2 as z approaches 4 equals the limit of z minus 4 over z minus 4 roots of z plus 2 in the parentheses as z approaches 4 equals the limit of 1 over roots of z plus 2 as z approaches 4 equals 1 over roots of 4 plus 2 equals 1 over 2 plus 2 equals 1 over 4. Next question, that is statistic. Mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. Find the mean, median, mode, and standard deviation pressure. That is frequency table. Marks 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Number of students equals 4, 26, 22, so 16 and 12. Sum 80. A midpoint from mark is 0 to 20 equals 10, 20 to 40 equals 30, 40 to 60 equals 50, 60 to 80 equals 70, 80 to 100 equals 90. Midpoint times frequency. Midpoint times frequency. 4 times 10 equals 40. 26 times 30 equals 780. 22 times 50 equals 1100. 16 times 70 equals 1120. 12 times 70 equals 1080. The sum is 4120. The main formula is x bar equals sum of frequency times midpoint in the parentheses over sum of frequency. Sum of midpoint x times frequency equals 4120 over sum of frequency. Sum of frequency equals 80. So 4120 over 80 equals 51,5. The median formula is median equals L plus M over 2 in the parentheses minus B over G times W. L is a lower class boundary of the group containing the median. N is the number of data. B is a cumulative frequency of group before the median group. G is the frequency of the median group and W is the group weight. The first step is to find the median using the formula N over 2 equals 80 over 2 equals 40. So the median lays in the 40 data, which lays in the mark 40 to 60. We know the lower class boundary of the group containing the median is L equals 40 minus 0,5 equals 39,5. The cumulative frequency of the group before the median group is 26. The frequency of the median group is 22 and the group width is 21. So the median value is 39,5 plus 40 minus 26 over 22 times 21 equals 39,5 plus 294 over 22 equals 39,5 plus 13,36 equals 52,8 model. The model formula is model equals L plus F subscript n minus F subscript n minus 1 over F subscript n minus F subscript n minus 1 in the parenthesis plus F subscript n minus F subscript n plus 1 in the parenthesis times W. L is the lower class boundary of the model group. Fm is the frequency of the model group. Fm minus 1 is the frequency of the group before the model group. Fm plus 1 is the frequency of the group after the model group. And W is the group weight. The highest frequency in the marks is 20 to 40 equals 26. So we know the lower class boundary of the model group is L equals 20 minus 0,5 equals 19,5. The frequency before the model group is 4. The frequency of the model group is 26. The frequency of the group after the model group is 22, and the group weight is 21. So the model L plus F subscript n minus F subscript n minus 1 over F subscript n minus F subscript n minus 1 in the parenthesis plus F subscript n minus F subscript n plus 1 in the parenthesis times W equals 19,5 plus 26 minus 4 over 26 minus 4 in the parenthesis plus 26 minus 22 in the parenthesis times 21 equals 19,5 plus 22 over 22 plus 4 times 21 equals 19,5 plus 462 over 26 equals 19,5 plus 17,7 equals 37,26. So the value of mean is 51,5. The median is 52,86. And the model is 37,26. The next is standard deviation. The standard deviation formula is S equals roots of the sigma of frequency times midpoints in the parenthesis square minus the sigma of frequency times midpoint in the parenthesis square over frequency minus 1. First, let's create a frequency table. In the frequency table is marked frequency midpoint square, midpoint times frequency times midpoint square. Midpoint square 10 square is 100, 30 square is 900, 50 square is 2,500, 70 square is 4,900, 90 square is 8,100. Midpoint times frequency, midpoint times frequency. 4 times 10 equals 40. 26 times 30 equals 780. 22 times 50 equals 1,100. 16 times 70 equals midpoint square. 4 times 100 is 400. 26 times 900 equals 23,400. 22 times 2,500 equals 55,000. 16 times 4,900 equals 78,400. 12 times 8,100 equals 97,200. The sum is 254,400. After that, enter in the formula. S equals root of 254,400 minus 4,120 in the parenthesis square over 80 over 80 minus 1 equals root of 254,400 minus 16,974,400 over 80 over 79 equals root of 254,400 minus 212,180 over 79 equals root of 42,220 over 79 equals root of 534,43 equals 23,11. The value of standard deviation is 23,11. Okay, that is our explanation for me. Thank you and sorry if there are mistakes in word or action. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.